most people might hike to 1 or 2 waterfalls a year, but what if you chase down 1,000? Over 100 weeks, I've been hiking off the track, through dense forest, across rivers, and into remote wilderness, all to find and film 1,000 waterfalls, a lot no one's ever documented before. This journey nearly broke me, and what I discovered changed my life forever. This is the wildest thing I've ever done, and no one has ever attempted it like this.
A man named Mark Cooper is chasing secret or hidden waterfalls in the Otways. It's quite fascinating.